Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to select the printing scope. In this workbook, here we have 3 worksheets. To print all these worksheets, here we click File tab. In Backstage View, we go to Print page. In the first list of settings, here we click Print Entire Workbook. In Print Preview, here we see 3 worksheets. To print a single worksheet, in the first list, we click Print Active Sheets. In Print Preview, here we only have 1 worksheet. To print specific worksheets, here we select Sheet 1 and Sheet 3. In the first list, we click Print Active Sheets. Here we have 2 worksheets. To print a portion of a worksheet, here we may drag to select our range of cells. In the first list, we click Print Selection. Here we can see the range of cells. Thanks for watching.